This short video will explain everything you need to know about economic nexus in the United States. We'll cover what the economic nexus is, how it's measured, and what it means for your business's sales tax obligations. We'll also touch on what to do when you realize your business has reached economic nexus in a particular state. At Quaderno, we understand the stress and confusion that sales tax compliance causes for online entrepreneurs. In fact, we've found that many businesses waste 40+ hours per quarter dealing with tedious tax compliance. But with Quaderno, online businesses can automate sales tax compliance worldwide so they can focus on the work they love. Let's jump in. First, what is economic nexus? Economic nexus is a term that describes when you're doing so much business in a particular state that you've earned sales tax obligations. It's designed to capture more tax revenue from remote sellers who are selling online. It's also designed to even the playing field between out-of-state and local businesses. How is economic nexus measured? Each economic nexus is defined by one or two thresholds: the amount of sales dollars or the number of transactions you've made to customers in that state. Each state can define these thresholds differently. The most common thresholds are $100,000 in sales or 200 separate sales transactions. But, for example, New York uses thresholds of $500,000 in sales or 100 separate sales transactions. It's best to check the economic nexus rules in each state where you have customers. Or use a tax compliance tool like Quaderno that monitors this for you automatically. Every threshold takes into account your annual sales. For most states, this means the current or previous calendar year. In other states, it means the previous 12 months. So when your annual sales pass one of these thresholds, you now have economic nexus there, and you must register for sales tax. Then you start charging and collecting sales tax and filing returns. Failure to register for sales tax on time can result in penalties and fees. Plus, if you aren't charging and collecting tax from your customers when you should be, then that money will eventually come out of your own pocket. The tax agencies will make sure of it. Curious whether your business will reach economic nexus in any state soon? Tracking sales in all 50 states is a ton of work. The best option to stay on top of economic nexus rules is to use a sales tax compliance tool that does it for you automatically. Quaderno can help by automatically tracking your sales volume and the number of transactions everywhere you sell. In fact, we'll send you an alert when you hit a threshold and it's time to register for sales tax. Once you're registered, Quaderno automatically calculates the correct tax on each sale, sends receipts and invoices, and provides instant tax reports for sales in any state or country. Try Quaderno for yourself, completely risk-free, by clicking the link in the description.